Hey everyone, welcome back to DataZard. Today we are going to solve Workout Wednesday 2021 Week 5 challenge and play around with drill downs. Last time we did drill throughs, but this time we will play with drill down and drill up and build this visualization around UFO sightings. So without further ado, let's get started. In the challenge, Power BI file is already provided to us. So I am going to use the same file, and there are a few pre-prepared measures. So the first one, let's go with total sightings, which is counting the number of sightings posted by people. Suspected hoax, which is total sightings which have hoax OAX in them for hoax. Then American Southwest sightings, which is calculating the total number of sightings for the American states. And then percentage of suspected hoax, which is just a division of suspected hoax by the total number of sightings reported. And we are using the divide function here. And then percentage in American Southwest, which is division of American Southwest sightings, which we calculated in this measure, dividing it by the total sightings. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the canvas background. So just click anywhere on the screen, go to canvas background, and let's choose the color black with zero transparency. And now for our visual, in the challenge there are three card visuals, but with new card visual, I can only use one card visual and add three values to it. So this is what I'm going to do and add my measures, which is total sightings, percentage in American Southwest, and percentage hoax. And then I'm going to go to the background for this visual and choose this color with a transparency of 75%. And similarly, I'm going to color my card. So I'll go to cards and in cards background color, and I'm going to choose this color again with 75% transparency. And then in call out values, I am going to change the font color to white color and put it to horizontal alignment. And for labels, again, a white color. I'm just going to decrease the size, and I am just going to increase the size like that and place it somewhere here. In challenge, these labels are not at the top of values but below them. So I am just going to change the position to below value. Now we need to create a column chart. So I'm just going to choose this column chart. Actually, we need the vertical one. And now for my values, in y-axis, I'm going to put my measure total sightings. I will turn off the grid lines. And for my column color, I'm going to choose it's similar to what it is in the challenge, which is 217 CCA. Let's just increase the size so we know how it is looking and align it with the card's visual. Now for title, we have sightings over time, use down arrow key to drill into details. I'll adjust the font size to 14, make it white. And for x-axis values, again I'll put it to 14 and white. Similarly for y, I'm going to do the same. Now these card visuals have a little more breathing space, so I'm just going to decrease the size of this column chart. And for card visual, I'm going to go to cards and padding and choose wide padding and increase the size. Lastly, we need to give it a background color. So I'm going to go to size and style, turn on the background color and give it the second color with 60% transparency. Now we need to build a matrix visual. So I'm going to click on matrix and then in rows, I'm going to first add location and then add shape to go to the second level, which is our shape. And then the third level will be duration. And then for values, it will be the total sightings measure. Now currently we don't see the plus minus icons. That's because we first need to enable them. So we will go to row headers and then these plus minus icons and turn them on. So now when we click on this plus, we go to the shape, and then when we click on again plus, then we go to the duration. And likewise we can go up, that is drilling up, by clicking on these minus icons. Now I will adjust the size of this column and adjust the size of the visual and place it aligning next to our other visuals. Now for values, let's adjust it to 14 and firstly add a title. So the title is sighting details, location, shape, duration. I'm going to adjust the size as 14, giving it a background color of this and a white color. It's a little too light, so let's go with this one. Now for my column header, I am going to give it this color, the white as text color, and this color as the background color, and increase the size to 14 again. Let's just bring this back. Now for values, I'm going to have black as their text colors, but for background color, I'm going to choose this color. For row headers, I'm going to set size as 12, text color as black, but background color as something like this, maybe a little lighter. And now we need to add a text box at the top. So now I'm going to change the font color as white. Global UFO sightings in the last 5 years. I'm just going to adjust the font as 28. Let's do it bold and place it somewhere here. And now I already have an icon for the UFO, which is there in the published report in the challenge. So I'm going to go to insert, click on image. Once the image is loaded, I'm just going to adjust the size and place it in here. And I'm going to reduce the padding so the image is a little bigger. And the last thing that we need to do is we need to find the number of fireball shaped UFO sightings in June 2020 in Las Vegas. So, first we will do drill down. So, for that, we will click on this down arrow and then choose 2020. June will be in second quarter. So, clicking second quarter and then choosing June. I'll move out of drill down again by clicking on this drill down button. And now, if I click June, we see there are 2K sightings in all. And for Las Vegas Fireball, we just have one sighting. That's it for this one. I'll see you in my next one.